Hi everyone, I am available for all sort of MyLab courses, MS Excel, MS Word, MS PowerPoint, MS Access.
Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's session, we are taking Excel Simulation Exam Chapter 1. Okay, Excel Chapter 1 Simulation Exam. We will go to MyLab Pearson. Go to Excel Simulation Exam 1. Click on Start button. If you need help in this exam and if you want to do this complete course from me, I will do this complete course for you with A plus grade, and I will do this all simulation training and all simulation exam for you with A plus grade. I can do all Microsoft Excel, all Microsoft Word, all Microsoft PowerPoint, all Microsoft Access and other online courses like MyLab Accounting, MyLab Finance, MyLab Economics, Java, C++, Python, Nursing, Medical, Math courses, Calculus and many more other online courses. Please reach me out on my WhatsApp and email. Both are given in the description and shown on my bottom of the laptop screen. My WhatsApp link is given in the description. You can click on my WhatsApp link and directly come on my WhatsApp chat. So we will start our exam. Click on launch button. So question number 1 of this exam is here. You can see type member tab in cell A4. Click on cell A4. In the formula bar we will type member type. Okay. So select cell A1 and then spell check the worksheet. When promoted, change the misspelling of conference to conference. Okay, we will click on cell A1 and we will go to the review tab. In the proofing group, click on spelling button. So we'll click on change all, check spell complete, you are good to go. Click on OK button. So this question is done. The next question is question number 2. Type 2024 001 in cell B6 and then press Ctrl plus enter. We will click on cell B6 and we will type 2024 001. Use the fill handle to copy the value from cell B6 to the cell B7 through cell B12. Okay. Use fill handle to the value through cell B12. Use fill option to change the value to series. Okay, we will right click on this fill option button. So we will change the option values to series. Fill series. Question is completed. So the next question of this exam is question number 3. Enter the value 225 in cell C12 and press enter. We will click on cell C12. Sorry, we will click on cell C12. We will enter value in the formula bar 225. Enter the date 6:30 in cell C2. Click on cell C2. We will enter the date 6:30. Okay, clear the formatting in cell C2. We will click on cell C2 and go to the home tab. In the editing group, click on fill button, fill series button. We will click on clear formatting. Enter the date 6/30/2024 in cell C2 and then press Ctrl plus enter. Okay. Click on cell C2. We will enter the date 6/30/2024. Okay. Question is completed now. The next question of this exam is question number 4. On the worksheet, make cell A1 the active cell and then simultaneously replace all occurrences of the text amount with the text price. Close any option dialog box. On the worksheet, make cell A1. We will click on cell A1. Go to the home tab. In the editing group, click on find and select button. So we click on replace button. The find is amount and replace with price. Replace with price. Click on replace all. All done. We made 2 replacement. So close this and question is done. The next question is question number 5. In question number 5, use semi-selection to enter the first entry early. Discount formula is equal to D6 minus C6 in cell E6 and click the enter button. We will click on cell E6, press is equal to D6 minus C6. D6 is regular price minus early price. Regular price minus early price and press enter. Double click the cell E6 fill handle to copy the early discount formula through cell E12. Use fill handle. So question is done now. The next question of this exam is question number 6. Enter the first percent of regular formula is equal to 1 minus C6 over D6 in cell F6 and press Ctrl press enter. Simply we will click on cell F6, press is equal to enter the formula which is given in the instruction 1 minus C6 early price divided by regular price and press enter. So double click the cell F6 fill handle to copy the percent of formula through cell F12. Okay, use fill handle to the copy through cell F12. So question number 6 is done. Now moving on question number 7. Display cell formulas. Go to the formulas tab in the formula editing group. Click on show formula button. So hide cell formulas. Okay, type 435 in cell C6. Click on cell C6 and we will type 435. Type 400 in cell C9. Click on cell C9 and we will type 400. Okay, this is good. This is clear. Please follow my video and you can done your exam by watching this video. If you do not able to do this exam, you can contact me on my WhatsApp and email. Both are given in the description and shown on my bottom of the laptop screen. Okay. Next, click cell E1 and insert a column to the right of column D. Okay. Okay, we will click on cell E1. Right click on this, click on insert button, so new column will be inserted. Type on site price in cell E4, on site price. So in cell E6 create a formula to add the value in cell F6 to cell D6. Press is equal to F6 to cell D6 and press enter. Copy the formula to cell F7, E6 to the range E7 to E12. E7 to E12. Okay, I have done 9 questions of this exam so far. Now I am going to do question number 10. Click cell A9 and delete the row. Select cell A9 and right click on A9 and click on delete button. So A9 row will be deleted. Insert a new row as row 9. Right click on this, click on insert button. Type professional in cell A9, click on cell A9 and we will type professional. So select cell A9 and then apply bold. And go to the home tab in the font group, apply bold. Question is completed now. So adjust the width of column A to 25%. Right click on column A, click on column width button. So we will adjust the data 25 and click on OK button. Adjust the height of row 1 to 30. We will select row 1, right click on row 1, click on row height button and we will enter 30 data and click on OK button. Select and hide column B, select column B, right click on column B and click on hide button. Select and hide column F, select column F, right click on this, click on hide button. Unhide column F. Select column E to G and then right click on this, click on hide button. So question is completed. You can see I have done 10 question. Insert a new row 5. Right click on select row 5, right click on row 5 and click on result button. Select and cut the range A13 to G13. Paste the range starting in cell A5. We will select first this range A13 to G13. Okay. Select and cut and paste in cell A5. Okay. Look at cell A5 and undo the action of pasting the range in row 5. We will go to the home tab and the undo group, click on undo button. Select and cut the range A12 to G12. Okay. Select and cut and insert cut cell in cell A5. Click on cell A5 and insert cut cell. Okay. Okay, you can see I have done 12 questions of this exam in my video. If you want to do this complete exam, if you need help in this complete exam, and if you want to deal for this complete MyLab Pearson course, you can easily contact me on my WhatsApp link and email. My WhatsApp link is given in the description. You can click on my WhatsApp link and directly come on my WhatsApp chat. And we will deal for this complete course. I will do your all simulation training, all simulation exam, all cumulative assessment, all cap assessment, and final exam with A plus grade. You will be free from this course. I will do your all Microsoft Excel, all Microsoft Word, all Microsoft PowerPoint, all Microsoft Access, and other online courses. MyLab accounting, MyLab finance, MyLab Java, MyLab C++, math courses, calculus courses, and many more other online courses. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and like my video. Best of luck to my all students. Thank you so much.